In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VMix step by step. First, open your browser and head over to the official website at vmix.com. Always make sure you download directly from the official site to ensure you're getting a safe and legitimate version. On the homepage, look for the download or free trial button and click it to start downloading the latest stable version of VMix. Since the file is fairly large, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the VMix Setup exe file. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator to avoid any permission issues, then confirm with Yes if user account control prompts you. The installer will open, where you'll first select your preferred language and then read and accept the license agreement. After that, choose the destination folder, though it's usually best to leave it at the default location, and then move on to component selection. For most users, keeping all components checked is the best option for a full experience. Once you review your choices, click Install, and the setup will begin copying files. This process may take a few minutes depending on your system. When installation finishes, you can immediately launch VMix by keeping the checkbox selected or by finding it in your Start menu. On first launch, you'll likely see a pop-up confirming your 60-day free trial with full features. Just click OK or Continue Trial to proceed. You should now see the VMix main interface, confirming that everything installed successfully. Keep in mind that after 60 days, the trial will end, and you'll either need to purchase a license from vmix.com or continue with the limited basic HD edition. Thank you for watching this video.